Life hack number 72B. What's it? How to join two bits of electrical cable together safely when a rat has chewed the previous one. Take a plug, remove the what are they called? Bung them with the thingy-bob, and then do that. Do you know what I mean? Shush. And then you've got to clean all this. Disgusting. Like and subscribe. What's the next tune? Oh dear, I've got something else running. There's another tune, it's bound to be. There's always another tune. But it's too late. That's doing quite well, isn't it? Hello, Vera! That's my old man, actually. My nephew in South America with his Fiat Lampredi, you know. We know what we mean. There's the Alfa Romeo, there's my old Lotus. Oh, this is horrible, horrible music. Like and subscribe or I'll send the boys around to mess up your bookshelves.